Alright, we're rolling and we're on the fish. He's circling the boat. Is it true? He's a diver. I'm trying to get him up here for another shot. I'm not sure what to do with him once I get him up. I should cut him loose. Keep circling the boat. Well, I thought I was going to be able to get a good picture of him, but he's going down for the dive. He's diving down deep. He's probably about 6-7 feet long. Here he comes. He's coming back up. Line went dead. He's coming right back up for the boat. Try and get a good picture of him. Immense strength. As you can see here, the rod is really bent over. He's just taking it. He's going for a run. Now he's coming, giving that back. And we're almost on full drag here. All right, we're gonna